Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add Word document to another Word document. We start by opening Word and placing the mouse where we want the new text to be inserted. Next, click on the Insert option. After that, click on the Object option and then on Text from File. Now we are going to select the Word document where the text to be inserted is and click on Insert. Finally, we will see how the text that document contained is added. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.